Hi, I'm Marti Buckley, author of Basque Country and the Book of Pintxos. I'm here in San Sebastián, Spain to talk to you about pintxos and how to make one of the very first pintxos ever invented, the Gilda. For those of you that don't know, pintxos are these delicious small bites that were invented right here in San Sebastián about 100 years ago. How it works, you go into a local bar, you'll see that the counter is lined with pintxos. You grab the one you want, get a drink, a wine, a beer, whatever you want, and you repeat that all night long with your friends throughout the bars of the city. It's one of the most fun ways of eating. I love pintxos so much. And today we're going to look at one of my favorite pintxos, which is the Gilda. The Gilda is a really easy pintxo to make. I love it because you can prepare it for a dinner party, you can make it in advance, it can sit out, it looks gorgeous, it's only got 3 ingredients, and people love it. All you need to make it is a toothpick, a guindilla pepper pickled, some olives. I have manzanilla olives with no pit, makes it easier to eat, and then some salt-cured anchovies. The ones that I have today are from the Cantabrian Sea, right outside this window. This anchovy from this part of the world is super high quality, and the artisanal tradition of fishing and cleaning them means that you really come out with an anchovy that doesn't remind you anything of the ones that you might have eaten on a pizza or think are gross. These are a totally different ballgame. So let's make this simple pintxo. First, you want to start by grabbing one of the olives and you just pierce it through there. Start like that. Then you'll want to take 2 guindilla peppers, okay? There are as many ways of making gildas as there are people, as there are bars, and what I like to do is to cut off the stems and then cut the peppers in half. And what that does is it just makes the eating process of the pintxo a little bit more simple. So you thread 2 pieces, one of the end pieces and one of the middle pieces after the olive. Then you'll want to grab one of these gorgeous salt-cured anchovies dripping with delicious olive oil. Again, you can put this on however you like. I like to thread it in sort of an S shape because it makes for a really visual, appealing pintxo, and you can kind of fluff it up a little bit, and there you go like that. Now let's grab our next 2 pieces of guindilla pepper, pinch them on the toothpick, and finish with another olive. Legend has it that this was one of the first pintxos ever invented. It's called a banderilla, which means a little flag. They say that it was invented at a bar named Casa Valles in the center of San Sebastián. While that urban legend is quite unsubstantiated, it doesn't really matter because this is such a delicious pintxo. So to serve it, I like to just add also a drizzle of olive oil on top to keep it glistening. Voila, that's it. It's so easy. It's the perfect snack. Pairs really well with a glass of white wine or sparkling Txakoli from the Basque Country, and it's just incredible. You can give this to anybody. If they tell you they don't like anchovies, don't listen. And it's so good. It's got that salty kick from the anchovy and the olive, and then that vinegar punch with the guindilla peppers. All of these local ingredients, and an amazing pintxo. Enjoy.